how softwares are ruling the world. Is it clear? So now I'll explain you how these softwares are built actually. Once you get that complete overall idea that how these softwares are built, then it will be very easy for you to begin that software development journey. So any software development project involves various stages. Okay, and those various stages are divided into 7 phases actually. So let's try to understand the 7 phases of software development lifecycle. Guys, everything starts with an idea first. Whether it may be Ola, or it may be Uber, it may be Amazon, it may be Flipkart, anything you take it guys, it starts with one basic idea. Is it clear? So once you have the idea, and if you feel that that idea is going to solve people's problems, guys, the applications what we develop that should solve some burning problem, then only those applications will be used by the people. So everything starts with an idea. Okay, and once you get the idea, then try to collect all the requirements. Is it clear? That how this idea can be fulfilled, how this particular idea can be developed into an running applications. Okay, so that's we call requirement analysis. Once you gather all the requirements, then you design the system. Is it clear? Like how your complete system will look like, how your application will work, how different stakeholders will be benefited with your application, that everything you have to put in the design phase of your software development lifecycle. That's the 3rd phase actually. Once after the 3rd phase is completed, the designing part, then you can just go to the development guys. Means you can start coding that particular requirement in a particular programming language. That's we call development phase. Once you have done with the development phase, then we have to test that application. Means the application what we have developed is working for all the given requirements or not. This is one of the very important phase guys, the testing. Because without testing, we are not supposed to deliver that particular product to our client. Okay, so once your application is developed, test your application. Once your application passes all the test cases, means once it is working for all the given inputs, it is working for all the given situations, then your application is 100% market ready. Then deployment. Deployment is nothing but handing over that particular application what we have developed to the client. Is it clear? Installing that software to the client's machine. And once deployment is done, client will start using that software. He'll use that particular application in his business. And the last phase is maintenance. Yes, any product or service should have the maintenance. Because see, there are different requirements changing day by day in the business. Is it clear? And client will approach to you back once there is any new requirement in the product, and you need to provide service for that. And that particular phase we call maintenance phase. Means if any updates are required for the application what we have developed, if any new module has to be added, is it clear? If any existing module has to be removed, that everything comes under maintenance, and it's an ongoing process guys. So this is what the complete overview of software development life cycle. And guys, the focus of our course is the development. Yes guys, you are correct. We'll be working on like how development takes place. Our focus will be on that particular module development. Okay. So guys, once you look at this, what are the different software development stages? Now, if you see the development starts with programming. Once if the program is developed, then you have to work with debugging. See, debugging is nothing but identifying the errors of your application and correcting it. Okay. and unit testing. Means write the code, check for errors and test the application. And this is again a continuous process, guys. So you understood how development takes place. Programming, debugging and unit testing. Once this is done, then you have to maintain the source code. Means once this is done, keep the source code in a repository. Keep the source code in a safe place so that you can use it later. Okay. And from this, our focus will be completely on the programming part. Why? Because if you develop a small program, that is going to be a big software application in future. But you have to start with writing a small program. Okay. And this program refers to set of instructions that we provide to computer to perform a specific task. Programming tells the computer what to do. Is it clear? So a program refers to set of instructions we provide to computer to perform a specific task. It tells the computer what to do. And process of writing these instructions is called programming. Guys, try to understand the difference between what is program and what is programming. The process of writing instructions is called programming. And a formal language which is used to write these instructions is known as programming language. I think it's clear. Program, programming and programming languages, guys. And to write a program, first we have to think. We have to think what to write, how to write. Is it clear? And the thinking is very, very, very important. So I'll be focusing that how you should think to write a program. Because programming is all about thinking, not typing. And I'll be explaining you how you can document that thinking. And that's what the objective of our course is. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you so much. See you in next video with how to document your thinking.